Ever wonder where Copilot's answers actually come from and why some are more useful than others? Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how to get better results from Microsoft 365 Copilot by understanding how it works, how your data stays protected, and how to guide it with clear, effective prompts. Meet Alex, a business analyst heading into a busy week. She's juggling a proposal, a data set, and a presentation, all on a tight timeline. Copilot's built into the apps she already uses, but to really get value from it, she needs to understand how it works. We'll focus on 3 things Alex needs to understand to be successful: how Copilot uses organizational data and the web to generate responses, how her data stays protected, and how she can write prompts that actually produce useful results. Let's start with how Copilot works. What makes Copilot different from general AI tools is where it gets information. While it can retrieve insights from the web, its real power comes from its ability to connect to your organization's data. Your files, emails, meetings, and chats, so responses reflect your real work, not generic information. This is powered by WorkIQ. WorkIQ is more than a keyword search. Alex doesn't have to guess the exact wording to find what she needs. Instead, she can ask natural questions and still get relevant results, even when the wording doesn't match. Now let's address a common question. What happens to Alex's data? Copilot is built on the same security foundation as Microsoft 365 and follows strict data protection commitments. Alex's prompts, responses, and data are not used to train Microsoft's AI models. If she's working with sensitive content, it stays within her organization. Copilot also respects the same access rules Alex already works with. If she can't access a file, Copilot can't use it either. And if content is labeled as confidential, those protections still apply, even when she's using Copilot. Finally, let's look at how Alex gets better results with Copilot. It starts with a clear prompt. A strong prompt includes context, a goal, a source, and expectations. For example, instead of saying draft a follow-up, Alex might say, based on yesterday's client call, draft a follow-up email summarizing action items. Pull in details from the meeting notes and keep the email to 2 paragraphs with a professional tone. The more specific Alex is, the more useful Copilot's response will be. And she can always refine the result with follow-up prompts. As you move forward, you can apply these same ideas across your work. You'll use Copilot to draft, analyze, summarize, and create, whether you're working in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, or Outlook. Copilot grounds responses in your organizational data and the web. Your data stays protected and within your organization, and clear prompts help you get better results. Now you're ready to start using Copilot to apply these concepts in real scenarios.